Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to create this trendy yet amazing post. So if you want to know how to create it, then please stay tuned with us till the end. Also, if you want to create more such amazing posts, then please stay tuned with us. And for that, subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time whenever we post new stuff. So, what are you waiting for then? Let's get started. First of all, we are going to select the blank Instagram post page and going to search for the rectangle photo frame holder. And we are going to put these frames above and below the page by duplicating it. Now, we are going to search for shapes and going to select this square shape and going to give it the form of rectangle shape. Just putting this shape between the two frames so that it will create the separation effect. Now changing its color to light gray and going to search for the lines. Now selecting this line and just going to put this line above and below that rectangle. Now changing its color to slightly dark green. Now changing the line weight to 1. Okay, so it's done. Now I'm going to search for the heart icon, which looks exactly similar to the like icon of the Instagram. So this looks exactly similar to it, so I'm just going to adjust it properly. Now, after adjusting it, I am going to search for the comment icon and going to adjust it also. Now, for Instagram plain icon. Okay, so this looks exactly similar to the Instagram plain which we see there. So I'm just going to adjust it also. Okay, so now after adjusting all these icons, I'm going to search for the save icon and going to adjust it also. Okay, so it's done. Now I'm going to search for frames again. I'm going to select the circle frame. And now for gradients. Okay, so this gradient is exactly similar to the gradient or color which we used to see in the icon which represents your ID. So I'm just going to put this gradient inside this frame and going to adjust the frame according to our page. Okay, now after doing so, I'm just going to duplicate it and going to change its color to white. Now adjusting it above the previous frame. Okay, now finally again duplicating it for creating the third frame and going to put our icon or our logo inside the third frame, which is of course our channel logo. Okay, so after putting the logo inside the third frame, we are going to just put the third frame above the previous two frames. Okay, so our icon is ready representing our IDs. Now we are going to search for the text box and now I'm going to replace the text with the 2.1k likes. Also, I'm expecting you all to please give us 2.1k likes if this video adds value to you. So please do like our videos. Okay, now again duplicating the text and going to replace it with our channel name, which is of course increase productivity. Okay, now I'm going to replace the text font with the aileron regular, because this text is exactly similar to the text which we used to see in the Insta. And now we are going to just apply some bold effect on it. Now again duplicating the text box and going to replace it with our location. Now removing the bold effect from it. Okay, it's done. Now we are going to again duplicate the increase productivity text and going to replace it with the 3 dots which we usually used to see on the right corner of the Instagram post. Now align it to the right and adjusting it properly. Okay, it's done. Now we are going to search for some interesting thing, which is the searching arrow. By adding searching arrow, it will create more realistic effect of Instagram page. Actually, searching arrow is not working out for us, so I'm just going to replace it with search arrow, and now we got it. So you can place the search arrow wheresoever you find it suitable. I put it according to myself. Now searching for hot chocolate pouring. As I love hot chocolate, that's why I selected this particular thing for this project. Okay, now this image looks good to me, so I'm just going to remove the background of it. And now after removing the background, I'm just going to adjust it properly. Okay, now cropping the lower half and applying some nudging in it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select another cup in which the pouring has been done. Okay, now applying some shadow effect on the above cup and adjusting the little bit of things in it. You can do it according to yourself, and I'm doing it according to myself. So it's done. Now cropping the extra part of the lower cup. Okay, it's done, guys. Now I'm going to search for tea smoke. Here are some videos. I'm just going to select an appropriate video for this post. Okay, this video is looking good to me, so I'm just going to apply it to the above frame. Okay, now searching an image for the lower frame. Okay, this image is very much suitable for it. Now I'm going to put it inside the lower frame and going to adjust it. Now applying some effect of the shadow in the lower cup also. Okay, so it's done, I guess so. Okay, so now we are just going to download it into the MP4 video format. And here is our final post. So what do you think about our post? Please comment down below. Also, you can try this post by yourself and share your trials in the comment section below with us. So we will meet you in next video. Till then, take care of your lovely selves.